6 Thinking Hats Decision-Making Technique. The 6 different frames of mind, 6 thinking hats, are identified in the shape of a hat, and each of the hats is a different color. White information: consider only information that is available. What are the facts? The white hat pushes all available information and data to be considered forward. This includes information both from within and outside the scope of the discussion or brainstorming session. The general goal is to better understand the concept or subject that is up for discussion, which is easier when the data is being managed in a neutral way. Emotions: intuitive reactions or expressions of feelings, but no justification required. The red hat is the emotions hat. Whenever this hat is worn, the emotional thinking process is targeted. Emotions can be both positive and negative. Examples of positive emotions include joy, happiness, admiration, enthusiasm, and expectation. Negative emotions include, for example, disappointment, jealousy, cynicism, or anger. The objective behind wearing the red hat is to address the credibility of the emotions that play a part in a certain discussion. Black judgment: logic applied to identification of mistakes or barriers, looking for a mismatch. The black hat is the hat of caution. This also includes critical evaluations. All shortcomings of the concept that is up for discussion are noted. The scope of the problem is maximized, through which the worst case scenario can be found. The moment this hat is worn, the participant is required to play devil's advocate. Positive view: logic applied to the identification of opportunities, looking for harmony. The yellow hat is the hat of positivity. The wearer of this hat is required to bring forward as many positive aspects related to the subject as possible. It is vital that, whilst wearing this hat, positivity is encouraged at all times. Green creativity: statements of provocation and investigation, hearing what an idea is about. The green hat is the hat of ideas. Feasibility and judgment are temporarily set aside when this hat is worn, ensuring participants are free to generate as many ideas in the scope as possible. The objective of this hat is to generate as many new ideas as possible. Thinking about thinking. The blue hat is about the flow of the brainstorming session or discussion itself. Thinking about thinking is also referred to as metacognition. The agenda and timeline are also part of this. How long do the sessions take? When do you need to wear a particular hat, and for how long? The group's controller should wear the blue hat for as long as the session takes. With this you can come up with a solution for any of your problems.